Very good morning, class. So, class, we have discussed yesterday about the basics of the exercise 7.1. Today, we discuss the few questions related with the exercise 7.1. So, class, as we have done yesterday, the question is find the distance between 2, -5 and 3, 4. So, class, these are the 2 points given to you. One is A, other I will write B. So, the class, it's a A point, it's a B point, it's a 2, -5, it's a 3, 4. So, distance between these 2 points is AB equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, class? Now, what is x2, class? It's a x1, it's a y1, it's a x2, it's a y2. What is x2? That is 3. What is x1? That is 2. 3 minus 2 whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 4 minus 5 का whole square. Okay, class? Now, AB equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus minus plus 4 plus 5 is 9 का whole square. So, it's 1 square 1, square of 9 is 81. So, it's a root of 82. So, class, unit is unit because we don't know it is a meter, centimeter or whatsoever. So, class, this is all about the distance formula for a particular given 2 points. Okay, take a screenshot, please. 1, 2, 3. Now, we will start with the question. The question is determine if the following points, that is 1.5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are collinear. So, class, these are the 3 points given to us. We have to check whether these points are collinear or not. So, class, what is the meaning of collinear? Collinear means points lie on a single line. कि एक ही लाइन पे सारे पॉइंट्स लाई करते हैं, उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कोलिनियर बोलते हैं. सो लेट्स एज्यूम दिस इज ए लाइन. A point is 1, 5, B point is 2, 3 और C point is -2, 1. So, class, to check the collinearity of a point, what we will do? First of all, we will find the distance between AB, then distance between BC, then distance between AC. So, if we are getting AB plus BC equals to AC, then we will say that the given points are on the same line. So, these are collinears. Now, we will check it now. For the distance AB, I don't write the formula again and again, okay. So, 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So, 2 minus 1 is 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is -2 whole square. Square of 1 is 1 plus square of -2 is 4. What are we getting? Root of 5 unit. Okay. Now, for the BC, again class same, -2 का whole square plus -1 फिर -3 whole square. So, class, look here, I did not change even single sign. What is given in the formula, that is minus sign. What is given in the question, that is -2. I will not change the single sign of any of the value. So, -2, -4, if same sign are there, then we will add it. It's a -4 whole square. -1, -3, it's again -4 whole square. So, -4 whole square is 16. Again -4 whole square is 16. So 16 plus 16 can be written as 32 unit. Is that doubt class? Okay. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. What is in the pair? That is 2 is outside, 2 will come outside. What is left in the root? That is 4 root 2 unit. This is not on the view. What is the answer of it is? That is 4 root 2 unit. Is that doubt class? I will check it again. Okay, now for the AC. Again, points are -2 1 whole square plus -1 -5 whole square. So it's -2 -1 is -3 whole square. It's a -6 whole square. So -3 whole square is 9, -6 whole square is 36. So it can be written as 36 plus 9. It's a 45. So 45 can be written as 5 9 ja 45. It's a 3. So 3 is in pair, 3 root 5. So class, when we'll add these all the points given to us, then look here, what we are getting. You note down? You have note down? Okay class, I am writing here. What is AB? AB is root 5. What is BC? BC is 4 root 2. And what is AC? AC is root 3 root 5. These are the question. Should I have this? Take a screenshot. Okay. So class, AB plus BC is equals to AC. What is AB? It's a root 5. What is BC? It's a 4 root 2. What is AC? It's a 3 root 5. What is here? Nothing is similar. So this is not equal. So given points are not collinear. Is that doubt class? Okay. Clear this? No. Second question. Now second question is, name the type of quadrilateral formed. Question is -1 comma -1 comma -2, 1 comma 0, -1 comma 2 and -3 comma 0. These are the 4 points given to you. Okay. Now class, first of all I will roughly draw these coordinates. It is A, B, C, D. It's a -1 comma -2. It's a 1 comma 0. C is -1 comma 2 and D is -3 comma 0. Any doubt class? Now first of all find the distance. As I had told you previously, find the distance AB, BC, CD and AD. Now distance AB, I will not write the formula class. 1 minus -1 whole square plus 0 minus -2 whole square. So it's a 1 minus plus again 1 whole square, minus minus plus, it's a 2 whole square. So it is 1 plus 1 is 2 ka square plus 2 square. It's a 4 plus 4, that is root of 8, can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 root 2 unit. Okay class, similarly for the BC, distance BC is equals to root, again this is BC, so minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 0 whole square, minus 1 is minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square. This is 4 plus 4, okay, can be written as root of 8 unit. So it is again 2 root 2 unit. For class CD, distance CD equals to root of minus 3 minus minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. So minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 4, it's a root of 8 written as 2 root 2 unit. Okay, again what is left, that is AD. AD can be also done with the distance formula, distance AD. So it is root, that is minus 3 minus minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus 2 whole square. So minus minus plus, minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, can be written as, it's a minus 2 whole square then 2 square. So it is 4 plus 4, also it is same, that is 2 root 2 unit. Now class, what is here, that AB is equals to 2 root 2, BC equals to 2 root 2, CD equals to 2 root 2 and AD is also equals to 2 root 2. So all four sides are equal. Now there is two condition, that rhombus is also having the sides that are equal, and in the square all four sides again are equal. So what is the difference between them? That the diagonal of square should be equal and diagonal of rhombus should be not equal. Okay. So class, to find out the diagonal, what is diagonal? It is AC and BC. AC and BC. So diagonal AC is equals to 1 minus minus 3 whole square plus 0. So it is minus 1 minus minus is plus 1 plus 4 whole square, sorry 1 plus 3 whole square. It's a root of 4, that is 16. So it written as 4 unit. Is there doubt till here class? Okay. So class, I need to find out the diagonal now, BD. So I am writing here. Okay, diagonal BD is equals to root of, sorry, it's a BD, it's a BD, it's a AC. Okay. Now minus 1 then minus 1 whole square plus it is 2 minus again minus 2 whole square, can be written as minus 1 minus minus plus 1, it is a 0, again it's a 2 plus 2, that is it's a 0 plus 4 ka square, so it's a 16, can be written as 4 unit. Now class, what you are getting, that AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD, and the diagonals are also equal. Diagonal are also equal, So class, take a screenshot of it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, AB equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD, that is 2 root 2 unit, and diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD is equals to 4 unit. So ABCD is a square. Isn't doubt, class? Okay, so take a screenshot of it. It's a complete part. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now question number 3rd. What is saying? Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from, that is 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. These are the two coordinates from where the point on x-axis is equidistant. Equidistant means equal distance पे पड़े हैं. एक कोई पॉइंट पड़ा है, उसके इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे दोनों पॉइंट्स हैं. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ थोड़ा सा बढ़ाता हूँ, उसको व्यू आउट देता हूँ. ये कोई पॉइंट P है क्लास. दिस इज पॉइंट P लाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. इट मीन्स y इज 0. y इज 0. सो x कॉमा 0. इट्स ए पॉइंट दैट इज 2 कॉमा minus 5. इट्स ए B पॉइंट दैट इज minus 2 comma 9. minus 2 comma 9. So class, what is saying equidistant is? So distance of PA is equals to distance of PQ. So we will write here PB. PA is equals to PB. So class, if I write here square, then we need not write the root in the formula if there is a square. So x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus 5 whole square is equals to x minus minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Okay class, as you are discussed that a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab and a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now class, it's a x minus 2 whole square. So a minus b whole square can be written as a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is 2 square, minus 2ab. So 2 into x into 2. So x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2 plus, okay. Now minus minus plus, so square of 5 is 25 is equals to, again class, this can be written as, I am writing here, that is minus minus plus, so x plus 2 whole square it is, x plus 2 whole square. So a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x plus 2 whole square can be written as x a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is 2 square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 2. So x square plus 2 का square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 81. Okay. Now what is here class? Look at the board. I am simplifying it. First of all, x square of 2 is 4, that is 2 to the 4 minus 4x and 25 is equals to x square, it's a 4, 2 to the 4 into x, 4x plus 81. Okay class. Now class, look here, it's a x square, it's also x square. There is equal value but in the opposite sides. So when this x square go in that side, comes in minus, will cancel out. So what we are doing here, we will cancelling the value. Again plus 4, again here is a plus 4. When this 4 will go in that side, comes in minus, so plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So I will again cut it. Okay. So what is left, class? Minus 4x plus 25 is equals to 4x plus 81. Okay. Now this 4x will go in that side, so minus 4x is equals to 81 minus 25. Okay. Now I am writing here. So minus 4 minus 8x is equals to 81 minus 25, that is 56. So x equals to 56 upon minus 8. What we are getting? 8 1 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. So minus sign is there. So this is the coordinate. What is the coordinate? That is minus 7 comma 0. Any doubt? Alright, class? So have a look. Take a screenshot. 1, 2 and 3. Now class, next question, that is question number 4th. If q 0, 1 is equidistant if q 0, 1 is equidistant from P, that is 5 comma minus 3, and R x comma 6, find the values of x. Also find the distance QR and PR. Okay, this is your question. What is the question? I am repeating. If Q is equidistant from these 2 points, it means if we draw a diagram, this is a Q, this is P and this is R. So coordinate for this is 5 comma minus 3 and for this is x comma 6. Q equal distance में पढ़ा दोनों के. So it is written as PQ equals to QR. PQ equals to QR. So if I can write as here. Okay, what's the coordinate of Q? That is 0, 1. So we'll solve it. Now 0 minus 5 plus 1 minus 3 whole square equals to 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. Okay, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, minus 5 square is 25, minus plus 1 plus 3 is 4 whole square, that is 16, is equals to 0 minus x is minus x square is x square, 1 minus 6 is minus 5 का square is 25. Again class, 25 plus is of plus, again this side plus of 25 will cancel out. What is left class? It's a 16 equals to x square. When square will move from the x, it comes in root, that is plus minus of x. What we are getting? Plus minus of x equals to 4. Value of x is plus minus 4. Okay class, what do you got? The coordinate of R is, one coordinate is 4, 6 and other is minus 4, 6, because when you are solving for the root, there may be two values, that is of plus and minus. So plus 4 and minus 4. Now class, what's the demand? That also find the distance QR and PR. Even I need to find out the distance QR and PR. Okay, very easy. So QR equals to, what is coordinate of Q? 0, 1 and at once I am taking 4, 6 of R. Once at a time I will taking 4, 6, another I will take minus 4, 6. So root It is 4 minus 0 whole square and 6 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 0 is 4, it's 4 and 16 it is. It's a 5, that is 25, and it's a root of 41 unit. Okay, this is the value of QR. Again, if R equals to minus 4 comma 6 and Q equals to 0 comma 1, then QR equals to again root, that is 0 minus 4 plus 1 minus 6 minus plus 4 square is plus 5 ka square. It's a 16 plus 25 can written as root of 41 unit. Okay class, this is one condition. And for the PR, distance PR, again we are going for the two different values, that P is 5 comma minus 3 and R is 4 comma 6. Again 4 minus 5 is whole square and 6 minus 3 whole square. So 4 minus 5 is 1, 1 square is 1, 6 it is minus plus, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 square is 81, it's a root of 82 unit. And if P is 5 comma minus 3 and Q is R is minus 4 comma 6, then again PR is equals to minus 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus 3 whole square. So minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 whole square. It's a minus 6 plus 3 is 9 whole square. So it's a 81 plus 81. So it can be written as 9 root 2. How it is 9 root 2 class? Look here. If I am taking out 81 as common, then what is left behind? 1, again 1, but I am writing 81 into 2. So 81 can be written as 9 root 2. 81 can be written as 9 root 2 unit. So this is all about the question regarding the exercise 7.1. So please do it carefully. Okay, thank you.